I just created an app in under 10 seconds. This coming Thursday, guys, I'm going to be demonstrating this platform, which will literally make your workflow speedy. The only reason why I have time to do this kind of webinar is because I've made so many apps, micro apps, that are built in under 10 seconds, and I'm able to free up my time and now share this with you. So make sure you sign up for the webinar this Thursday. You're going to see how you can do exactly the same thing for your own business. Bye. See you at the webinar. And then it says to you, what should the app do? And this is just crazy when you think about technology, how technology has changed over the years. To be able to tell an app to do something and then it just does it like a moment later is absolutely insane. But before we get excited about the fact that this works, let's test it. Extract all emails from the given text. So this is what I'm asking the app to do. Now, let's say I had to do this on a regular basis. Now, your needs could be completely different. You might need to extract model numbers, extract names, extract email addresses from the given text. Whatever it is you have to do, you will write in this box and click Create My AI App Idea instantly. There's a loading bar. Now, right now, as we speak, it's filling up and it's creating the app. And not only that, it will create a fun logo, so you'll be able to identify it very quickly that this is the app you're looking for. AI Email Extractor quickly identifies and extracts email addresses from any given text, efficiently separating them with commas for easy usage. Now, it gave it a name, it gave it a description, it gave it even the text inside the box. In here, if you look closely, it says, please enter the text containing email addresses here. So let me just get some text. And if you can see, I've just thrown in the email over here to see if this app will actually work or not. So I'm going to copy all of that, paste it into this box, and let's see if it extracts this email or not. There we go. It took less than a microsecond. Did you see that? So if you see what just happened here, I just created an app in under 10 seconds that extracts emails from text. In under a second, by the way, it's not usually that fast. So that was just that app. But if I click over here, the other apps, these are all the apps that I've made. And if you look at the list here, you see it's massive. Look how many apps I have made for myself. And this is crazy. And these apps solve hundreds of my problems daily.